Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we will talk about technique we need in the manufacture of underwear. We don't need an industrial sewing machine. You can forget about it. You need an overlock. I'll cover it in the next video. And an ordinary sewing machine with the minimum set of stitches. If you already have a sewing machine at home, then you need to invite a mechanic to adjust all the stitches. It should work like a clock. My advice will definitely come in handy. My first sewing machine was purchased long ago. I learned the basics of sewing on it. When I started to become a professional in sewing, I thought about what kind of sewing machine I need to improve my skills. For beginners, don't pay too much attention to the number of lines the machine offers. You will only use 6 to 10 lines on a permanent basis. Therefore, their number is not important. The choice of a sewing machine is only limited by your budget. Let me give you an advice. Don't buy the cheapest sewing machines, since it have a minimum number of lines and it have no adjustment. We need broader functionality. Now I will show you the minimum set that we need. Sewing machine, in my case like this. It has a different shuttle mechanism. In my case, this is a horizontal shuttle. It has a transparent plate, and I see so many threads left when working. When you make a finishing line, it so happens that in the most inappropriate place, the thread ends and you have to start all over again. And it is the transparent plate that helps us keep track of the number of threads. When buying a sewing machine, you must read the instructions. As a rule, sewing machines differ little from each other. Now I will wind the bobbin. Refilling is very simple. Modern household machines are very easy to maintain and operate. We wind the bobbin. That's enough for us. I remove the bobbin from the bushing, insert the bobbin into place. Thread it and hook it into the hook. Done. The bobbin is in place. Let's start threading the thread. Everything is simple here. The upper thread has been threaded. Now we have to stretch it up in this way. The machine is now ready for use. There are a few more tips that will help you with choosing a sewing machine. The machine must have a regulator of the regime. Since we are working with delicate fabrics, and they are very delicate and soft, when sewing, there should be maximum pressure on the fabric, so that the fabric can pass through and the teeth can push the fabric further. Next, see that the stitches can be adjusted in length and width. The smallest set of stitches we like a straight stitch that can be adjusted in length. Regular zigzag stitch, which we can also adjust in length and width. There is also a dotted zigzag. It looks very nice. The thing turns out to be manufactured. This is how it looks. Dotted zigzag that is adjustable in length and width. This is the most necessary thing for working with linen. As a rule, white paws are included in the set for the sewing machine. There is also a one-powder pause for concealed zippers. It may be needed when we are going to sew the fasteners to the bra. This is the sewing speed controller. It is shown either with an arrow like mine. This will make the machine sew very slowly. There is also a middle position. The sewing machine starts sewing faster. And there is a normal position where it sews like a normal speed. When you go to the store for a sewing machine, take different fabrics with you in order to try to sew on them there. Thus, you will understand whether the sewing machine is right for you. This is the most necessary thing that we need to work in underwear. This concludes our lesson. Next time I will talk about overlock. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!